Imagine a supplement that claims to relieve joint pain, reduce stiffness, and restore mobility, all without prescription medication. That's the promise behind RejuvaFlex MD. But does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped joint supplement? So RejuvaFlex MD is marketed as a joint support supplement designed to reduce comfort, improve flexibility, and support cartilage health. It's typically sold online as a capsule formula targeting people with arthritis, joint stiffness, or mobility issues. Here's why some buyers are interested. Many joint supplements, including ingredients like glucosamine, chondroitin, or MSM, which may provide modest symptom relief for some people with mild joint discomfort. These supplements are widely used for general joint support and mobility maintenance, but there are also important limitations. There's no large clinical studies proving RejuvaFlex MD itself works. Marketing sometimes implies cartilage repair or major joint regeneration, which supplements usually cannot deliver. And many claims rely heavily on testimonials instead of scientific trials. So does RejuvaFlex MD relieve pain? It might offer mild joint support, but there's no strong evidence it provides dramatic pain relief or repairs joints. The bottom line, RejuvaFlex MD appears to be a typical joint support, not necessarily fake, but likely overhyped compared to the scientific evidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.